stock just exploded over 200% today. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to teach you exactly how I caught it from the bottom to the top, explained in depth, step by step. That way you can do it too. Now that stock today was NCPL, and it really did explode over 200% today from last night's free stock watch list. Now the game plan on last night's watch list was to break 130 and pull back and confirm a buyer over 120 for the range through highs towards $1.80. And it actually made that exact move today on the break of that 130 level, but I played it a little bit differently way down here. Now, as you know, in order for me to trade something, I've got to be above VWAP and I've got to be above our exponential moving averages. And in the case of NCPL this morning, which of course I was already watching it because it was on last night's watch list, and hopefully you were too, what I saw happen here is we had these lows put in here in after hours last night, so I knew I was watching it off those levels again this morning as well. Now, my initial game plan was to watch on the break of 130, but what I noticed here was pretty awesome. So we saw quite a bit of volume come back in here in pre-market before market open right here on the break back over VWAP. So from here, I saw that buyers started to find interest here off of VWAP, and so as it pulls back out of market open, I'm looking for buyers to show back up again. And then of course, as long as price holds off of VWAP, this thing is good to go. So once the market opens, this breaks to the upside, it pulls back quickly and then gets bought back up, as you can see with this wick off the low. So as it pulls back again, which as you can see, as soon as it pulled back off of VWAP, I nailed the entry at the literal bottom at $1.08, risking off of VWAP here to $1.05, and I captured a move all the way through highs. Look at this. 120 squeezed to 140, 140 squeezed to 150, all the way to $1.80. Now, I also caught that trade in this morning's live trading stream with hundreds of my students, but now the setup that most of you are watching today from last night's free stock watch list was even easier. And I actually played it again and caught this move too. Now, as the watch list said last night, this had to break over 130 with strong price action, then pull back and confirm over 120. Well, this broke over 130 in a strong way, as we can see here, pulled back and confirmed off of 120. Look at this, it comes back to retest, it gets bought back up. That's actually where I entered right here in the reclaim of VWAP, just trading the plan from last night's watch list. And that's where I caught the next massive win here this morning after confirming off those pullbacks over $1.20, and caught this from $1.38 all the way back into the new highs. And as you can see, as this broke out higher, all I did is I raised my stop loss to the bottom of the next candle, got stuck in a halt here to the upside too. As it resumed, raised my stop loss to the bottom of this resumption candle and just rode this all the way up into the $70s until I eventually took my full profit into the highs. Which, as you can see right here, this candle tries to break to the new highs but instantly rejects, and that is my sign for an instant exit, as you can see right there, where I took full profit. And that's how I caught the top stock in the market today from last night's free stock watch list that exploded 200%. Let me know in the comments if you caught this thing today. It was absolutely insane. And of course, make sure to follow for tonight's free stock watch list, and make sure to claim your 7-day free trial to trade stocks just like this with me in real time every single day. And I'll see you guys there.